Alan Ross, and I'm the managing editor of APC Technologies. We're here at the IRIS ODSR, which is Operator Driven Safety and Reliability Conference in Sarasota, Florida. We're sponsored by IRIS and SDT, and of course APC Technologies. We've done interviews with thought leaders and with practitioners of the operator-driven safety and reliability programs, and just the idea of changing the way we do what we do in maintenance and reliability in the marketplace. There's some fascinating interviews here. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn. My next guest is Hugo Pereira. Say it again.
Pereira.
Pereira. I got it the second time around.
Good.
Hugo, thank you so much. But I want you to talk about the distributors that are not here. Talk to them, because this is the IRIS Distributor Conference. We're in Sarasota, 2023. There was 3 days of content, a lot of content, really good developmental content, and it kind of showed that IRIS stepped up to another level. It's not your same old Windows manufacturer anymore. But first of all, how did you get involved in this business in the first place? How did you get to be here?
Well, thank you so much anyway for the invitation. Well, my name is Hugo, and I'm doing this for over 25 years. I know Martin for many years.
Yeah.
Because I used to work in another company, so we're doing a trade show together.
Right.
So that's where I met Martin.
That's how I met him.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, right. Because also I was a speaker, he was a speaker, and I bring my people, my distributor from Latin America.
Yeah.
And I do this for over 25 years, and that's why. And one day, I got contact again with Martin, saying, "Hey, what are you doing? I'm working. So are you willing to come to work with us?" And I really, I got to say, the reason I say yes is because, working in predictive maintenance for over 25 years. And I'm a level 1, level 2 ultrasound, level 1 for infrared. And I see the potential in IRIS, because people, they don't realize how time and safe, life doing with those infrared windows.
Yeah.
And people, they don't realize that. You can have a problem maybe in a motor, they shut down for an hour, but the company continues.
Right.
But what about a problem, an electrical problem, switch here, an arc flash? You're not gonna have a second time to talk about it.
All of that you're talking about, we did hours and hours and hours and hours of taping that your distributors are going to get access to. Okay, so this is the next thing. Talk to them about the ones that aren't
Well, this
here.
is the reason is, I'm glad, I'm super happy, we are super happy. Had a full house, all this info all over the place, from Europe, APAC, Latin America, US, and because
Korea, South Korea,
yeah, I love
Norway,
them. I love them.
Yeah,
and the great presentations, because our idea is why the reason we're doing this, because we need to help in the end to the end user, so they can bring here. They can listen to our presentation, so they can deliver to the end user.
Right.
So that's why I asked to everybody, I'm looking for another camera, welcome to come for the next year. Because we have a great presentations, you're gonna bring a lot of information to the end users. That's the idea, to really help to the end user, how to save money and how to do inspection safety.
Okay, ODSR was introduced here. SDT Alliance, as you can see, was introduced here. There were a lot of new, we really got into the clips, the Connect clips. We got into a little bit e-Sentry, which you're gonna take out to the market there. So there's a lot of content that they can go through to learn. It'd be great to be here next year. But you've got content that they're going to learn. How do you encourage your distributors to participate?
They can see, I'm going to be working almost 8 years in IRIS, and they can see we started for Windows, but now this company is growing very fast.
Yeah.
We have a perfect complement with the SCT now, with the new contract, APC, and with the Thermo Clip, like something like right new.
Yeah.
And then they can use it. They can really save a lot of money. Everybody should have all those kind of equipment, because every single one is a complement. Mm-hmm. They work together. That's what really, that's the idea. I mean, the people that should really, and the other thing is, everybody do the certification for ultrasound, infrared, educate yourself.
Yeah.
If you don't educate yourself, you're not gonna go that fast.
Right.
So that's.
And now we have ODSR1, ODSR2, or will have, we don't have yet, but that's a different approach. That's a much more integrated approach, and Paul and Drew have done these, and they did great presentations and included that into it. But Hugo, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Maybe the next time this will be, we're going to do regional ones next year.
Yes.
So we're going to do many more regional ones so we can get a lot more distributors there.
Right.
But thank you for this.
And I'll see you guys next year, next conference.